In the last video, we introduced a new principle: do first, learn later. Instead of studying everything before you start, you let AI do the work first, look at the result, and only learn what you actually need. A lot of people tried it after watching that video, and many of them ran into the same problem. They asked AI to do something. AI gave them a list of steps, or wrote them a few paragraphs. And then, they still had to do the actual work themselves. That feeling is completely normal, and it points to something important, because what most people are doing with AI isn't doing first. It is asking for advice, and there is a big difference between the two. Let's think about how most people use AI today. They open the ChatGPT website. They type a question. AI gives them an answer. They read the answer and go do the thing. That is consulting. It is like asking an expert, how should I approach this? The expert tells you the steps. You go execute them yourself. AI gave you guidance, but you are still the one doing the work. This isn't useless. It is genuinely helpful, but it is nowhere near what AI is actually capable of. So what does do first really mean? It means letting AI use your computer, use your files, use your software, use your data, and actually complete the task for you. Not tell you how to do it, actually do it. You review the result, you verify it, you decide whether it is good enough. That is, do first. To make that happen, AI needs tools. Think of it like hiring a new employee. If you give them a pen and a notebook, they can advise you, take notes, plan. But there is a limit to what they can accomplish. Now give that same employee a computer, access to your systems, the right software, a connection to the internet. Suddenly, they can do real work. AI is the same. The ChatGPT website is the pen and notebook. It can chat with you. It can answer questions, but it has no hands. It can't open your files. It can't run programs. It can't access your data. It can only talk. What you need instead is something called an AI agent. An AI agent is AI with tools. It can read and write files on your computer. It can run code. It can search the web. It can operate software. It can carry out a sequence of steps. Not just answer a question, and actually complete a task from start to finish. Here is something interesting. Almost every software developer today already has an AI agent installed on their computer. Tools like Claude Code, OpenAI Codex, Google Gemini CLI, OpenCode. These are what developers use to build software faster. But a lot of people assume these are only for programmers. That is not true. These tools aren't just for writing code. They can help you review and reply to emails, write reports and documents, analyze data, do research, build presentations, even edit videos. If you can do it on a computer, an AI agent can do it for you. You may have also heard of a tool called OpenClaw, which positions itself as an AI employee. It is powerful, but for most beginners, it is too complex to set up safely. The learning curve is steep, and the risks aren't trivial for everyday users. So is there something better suited for people just getting started? Yes. I want to introduce you to an open source, free tool called SkillPilot. The website is SkillPilot. SkillPilot does something clever. It brings together the most popular AI agents in one place: Claude Code, OpenAI Codex, Gemini, and others, and it lets you switch between them easily. Use one today, another one tomorrow. Why does that matter? Because almost every AI agent offers a free tier, but each one has limits on how much you can use for free. If you stick to just one, you burn through the free quota fast. But if you spread your usage across multiple agents, you are combining all their free tiers together and getting dramatically more done before you ever pay a cent. This means you can actually try different models before committing to a paid subscription. And that matters because different models have different strengths. Some are better at writing, some are better at analysis, some are better at technical tasks, some are better at creative work. Skill Pilot lets you test them all and find what works best for you. Skill Pilot is also more than just an AI agent switcher. It is a learning platform. You can use it to create tutorials, make educational videos, build small projects quickly, or develop a full commercial product. And most importantly, it is designed to teach you how to use AI properly and how to build your own AI agents. That is the real value. Not just helping you use AI, helping you understand AI well enough to direct it, shape it, and build with it. Let's recap what we covered today. Most people are consulting AI, not using AI. They get advice from a chatbot, then do the work themselves. Real do first means letting AI, with tools, complete the work for you. You check the result, you verify it. That is your job. To do that, you need an AI agent, not a chat interface. AI agents already exist and are used by millions of developers. They're not just for writing code. They can handle almost any task you do on a computer. Skill Pilot is a free open-source platform that bundles multiple AI agents together, helps you maximize your free usage across all of them, and teaches you how to use AI the right way. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to install Skill Pilot on your own computer. Think of it like onboarding a new employee. You need to understand their background, their strengths and limitations, set them up properly. And then they can start doing real work for you. If this series has been useful to you, subscribe now so you don't miss the next one. Leave a comment. I'd love to know, are you already using any AI agents, or is this your first time hearing about them? Like this video if it helped, and share it with someone who is still using AI just to chat. See you in the next one.